neshamot, which are the purest of pure, in Shamayim suffered very quickly. Why? They got good, and they said, well, hey, we don't deserve any of this. The fact that you already created us already is chesed, already is kindness. You don't owe us to create us anything. But now, not only did you create us, you created us in a perfect circumstance, we don't deserve it. Please, Hashem, please, let us earn it. Let us earn it. Hashem says, okay, I'll let you earn it. And the Midrash says, Hashem says, I'll create a world, and each one of you is going to have to pass a test. If you pass a test, you come back to perfection. But now you'll feel okay. Why? Because you passed the test, and therefore you earned it. You earned it. If you fail, then you get punished. But there has to be measure. There has to be measure of success. If everybody passes, what's the point of the test? There's no test. If everybody gets rewarded, then there's no test. If everybody just goes, everybody plays, and everyone's a winner, like in today's athletic competitions, you're all winners. Yeah, but he's 80th place, he's 90th place, he slept at home, he didn't even come yet, and everyone gets an award. Everyone gets a what is it called? A participation trophy. What's a participation trophy? You're all losers, but we call you winners to make it politically correct. So now, this is the nonsense of the secular world. The Torah world says there's a winner and there's a loser. If you try hard and you succeed, you win. You don't try, you're not going to succeed. You lose. You're a loser. That's it. Simple. Winners and losers. So now, the soul said, we want this. And that, in essence, each and every one of us decided to come to this world. And that's why when a person comes up to Shamayim, there's no debate. Oh, I didn't ask to come to the world. Oh, why'd you put me here in this family, in this neighborhood? Who asked you to? I didn't want to be Jewish. I didn't want to be a girl. I didn't want to be a guy. Maybe I was a girl in a guy's body. Maybe I was a guy in a girl's body. Maybe I really felt like I was a dog. Maybe I was a cat. Maybe I want... None of this stuff is in Shamayim. All this garbage, that's just because people watch too much TV and play on the internet too much. This has nothing to do with reality. Nothing to do with reality. You go up to Shamayim, everyone knows exactly what they signed up for. And they themselves, the Chachamim say, the biggest embarrassment, the biggest busha, the biggest punishment is the busha when we see what we did in comparison to what we said we're going to do. Because before a person leaves the uterus, before a neshama is put into the embryo over here. Not here, it's a big stomach, but not on my body. Into the woman's body. Before it happens, before the Malach HaMavet, Yetzirah, the Satan comes and says, hey, you remember me? You remember me? You have to promise, sign over here, you're going to be tzaddik. You promise me you're going to be tzaddikah. You're going to cover your hair when you get married. You're going to keep Shabbat. You're going to keep kosher. You're going to be modest all the time, not just sometimes. You're going to watch your lips. You're going to, learn Torah. You're going to do this. You're going to do that. You're going to do all these things. Or, next time you see me, I'm going to tear you apart. You sign off your name. Now, when you come back to Shamayim, first thing they show you is the bill. You signed. Not just once. Every day of your life when you went to sleep, you signed. Every day of your life, your neshama went up to Shamayim, you signed. Yeah, I cheated on my wife. Oop, signed here. Oh, I stole from my customer. Signed here. Oh, I violated Shabbat, but no one really knows. Signed here. Oh, I did this. Signed here. Oh, this. Signed here. There's no surprises. All of the sins, you sign them. And then they show you, this is what you signed that you're going to do. The original contract, you said you're going to be tzaddik. The original contract, you said you're going to be tzaddikah. So that's why the suffering from the neshama has at that point is so great, the neshama asks for Gehinnom. The neshama, Hashem, please put me in Gehinnom. I cannot believe that I hurt you so much. You gave me every opportunity. You love me so much. You gave me eyes, ears, head, nose, everything you gave me. You gave me money, you gave me kids, you gave me a husband, you gave me a wife. You gave me everything I want. You delivered everything on a deal, and I delivered nothing. I did the opposite of what I agreed. Hashem, I can't believe I offended you so much. I'm so sorry. Put me in Gehenom. You cannot take it. The neshama asks for Gehenom. So all these people ask me, wait, I watch your shiur about Gehenom. Is it really this? Is it what I made love was a fairy tale?